Hi, welcome to lesson 4. In this lesson, we're going to combine 2 sounds with Fatha, and then we're going to combine 3 sounds of them. Let's jump to the whiteboard and explain this. Okay, we're going to combine 2 short vowels with Fatha together. Let's start to practice. Now, if I have a and a, and then I'm going to combine them together. That gives us a. So the first one, this one is a. Now, if I have a and ba together, that will give us, very good, aba, aba. Now, if I have a and ta, that gives us ata, very good. A and sa, asa, ba and a, ba'a. And remember, I did not combine this. I didn't connect alif with the next letter here because we agreed in the previous lesson that alif is one of the 6 letters that doesn't accept to be connected to the letter after. But here it accepts to be connected to the letter before. So that's why it's connected in ba. Okay, so ba and a, that gives us ba'a, ba'a, and ba gives us baba. Ba plus ta gives us bata, ba and sa, basa, ta and a, ta'a, ta and ba, taba, ta and ta, tata, ta and sa, tasa, sa and a, sa'a, sa and ba, saba, sa and ta, sata, sa and sa, sasa. Now, let's move to the next exercise. In this exercise, we're going to practice for the sounds ga, ha, kha, da, za, ra, and also za. First sound is ga, and ga gives us gaga, gaga, ga, ga, gaga. And remember, don't elongate the vowel. Don't say gaga. No, it's ga, ga. Together, gaga. Ga, ha, gaha. Ga, kha, gaha. And remember, when you see this letter and the dot is down, it's ga. Now, when there are no dots at all, like this one, it's ha. Now, when you see one dot, however, it's at the top, so it's kha. So this one is gaha. This one is haga. That one is haha. Haha, khaga, khaha, khaha. Now we're going to practice for dal, da, and za, and ra, and also za. Okay, we said that this sound is za, and this sound is za also. Okay, so that one, da and da, gives us dada. Now that one, da and za, gives us daza. Dara, daza, zada, zaza, zara, zaza. Now, this sound is the sound of za. And this sound also the sound of za, but different letters. So zaza. Rada, raza, rara, raza, zada, zaza, zara, zaza. Okay. Now let's move to the next exercise. In this exercise, we're going to combine 3 sounds. Now let's get started. If I have a and ha together, aha, aha. And then what is this one? Da. So the 3 of them, aha and then da, that will gives us ahada. A, ha, da, ahada. Next, if I have a and kha together, akha. Now, this one is za. So akha and then za, so that will gives us akhaza. If I have sa and ga together, saga. And then da, that will gives us sa, ga, da, sagada. Now, if I have sa and then ba, saba, and then ra, that will gives us sa, ba, ra, sabara. Now, if I have sha and then ka, shaka, and then ra, that will gives us shakara. If I have ba and ra, that will gives us dara, and then ba. So we have dara and then ba, that will gives us daraba. Now, if I have ba and sa, basa, and then ta, that will gives us basata, basata. If I have ba and a, that will gives us ba'a, and then sa, ba'asa, ba'asa. Now, if I have a and sha, that will gives us asha, and then ra, that will gives us ashara. Now, if I have ga, and I forgot here fatha, gaha, gaha, and then ra, that will gives us gahara. This is how it works in reading Arabic. Now, in the next class, we're going to apply what we learned to combine 2 sounds and then 3 sounds, and then we read actual words. Remember, these are actual words that we read. It has a meaning. So, see you in the next lesson, and let's get started for the next lesson.